Not leaving the squeeze out of this movement. We're keeping the squeeze there while we march. What's going on, guys? Wallace Conrad here from 11FitTV. Today, like yesterday, we are going to be very intense with this routine. We are finishing up on our targeted exercises for the glutes. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you for support that you've been given, for the comments that you have been sending my way as well. I appreciate you. So today we are finishing out on this clinic, as we said, and today, the final day, it's going to be just as intense as yesterday, right? So without further ado, let's jump into it and finish off our 7-day booty clinic. Let's go. All right, so the first thing that we're going to start with is our bird dogs. Okay, we're going to do 1 minute, and remember for the bird dogs, what we're going to do is we're going on all fours, and then we want to reach out. Think about, it's not going to be perfect, but think about reaching out with your toes and your fingers, right? And then you'll feel that squeeze in those glute muscles. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, alternating bird dogs. Here we go. Nice. Don't forget the squeeze. Nice. Good. The trick here, guys, is that squeeze in that glute muscles. Those glute muscles are really feeling it on that extension of the legs. All right. And that's where the magic happens. Nice. Try as best as possible to repeat this routine until you're able to go without rest. That's time. Okay. Next, we're going to go into some donkey kicks. We're on all fours already. So we're going to go with one leg first, and then we change the other leg. Okay, so we're on all fours. Remember, we want our legs bent. Then we're just pushing all the way up and coming back down. Okay, up, coming down, pushing up. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Up and push. Back down. Push. Nice. Push. Nice. Breathe. Nicely done. Not twisting. Just letting the glutes do the work. Yeah. Well done. This starts to burn now. That's what we want. Nice. Nice. Almost there. Really feel that squeeze. And that is time. Okay, we're going to switch legs. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And squeeze down. Squeeze. Nice. Nice. Breathe. Starting to really feel that load being put on those glutes. Well done, guys. Almost there. Muscle to mind connection, guys. Don't underestimate it. Well done. And that is time. All right, nicely done. Okay, so that's donkey kicks done halfway through. Glute bridge marches. Okay, here we go. 1 minute, we're going into the bridge and we're doing that march. 1 minute, here we go. 3, 2, 1, bridge and march. This time, put your hand on your abs. Nice. Slow execution. The abdominal muscles are coming into the fore. Nice. You don't have to put your hands on the abdominal muscles, of course. As you saw, we did the opposite before, where we had our hands on the ground. That's perfectly acceptable and fine. Nice and controlled. Nice. Remember that squeeze, guys. We're not leaving the squeeze out of this movement. We're keeping the squeeze there while we march. Okay? Well done, guys. And that is time. Okay, good job. Right now, guys, we're going to finish off with our pauses and then our holds for 1 minute each. Here goes. Bridge pauses. Here we go. Really squeeze up in the bridge. And now we are going to pause. Really squeeze, guys. Well done. Good going, guys. Stay with me. Keep going, guys. Don't give up. I know it burns, but this is what will get you that nice sculpted peach. Well done. Keep that pulse going. And that is time. Well done, guys. Okay, if you want, you can wrap it up right there. But for us, we're going to do one more, and that is the glute bridge hold. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Legs down. This time we're not pausing, we're just holding. Here we go for that bonus. Here and hold. Really squeeze, guys. Right now, those bumps are hurting. They're screaming for help, but that's what you're giving them, right? Good going, guys. Really squeeze. I know it burns. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Well done, guys. Squeeze. Almost there, guys. You can see the finishing line in sight. Those peach will thank you. That bum will thank you. Sculpted, rounded, nice and lifted, firm. Keep going, guys. Almost there. Squeeze. Last one. Give me everything, guys. Really squeeze. And that is time. Well done, guys. Beautiful. And that there and there is our finale. Good going, guys. Keep it going. You can continue this routine day after day after day until you can do it without rest. Amazing. Until next time, remember to leave a like, remember to subscribe, and I will see you again soon. ElevenfitTV. Thank you. Well, good.